Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a recipe with you, and this is the very last recipe for 2019, and it's a HelloFresh recipe with grilling cheese. I've never even heard of such a thing, but I have gotten it a few times with HelloFresh and it's so good. So this recipe is one of the vegetarian meals, so there's tomatoes and zucchini and onions and all sorts of veggies in there. And once you unpack everything, the first thing you always do is slice and dice everything. So I have everything separated. I heated some olive oil and added some of the red onion to it. And then I dumped in the couscous, and you're just gonna like toast that for a little while. Then you could add in some stock and some water. And we're gonna let that cook. In the meantime, I preheated my oven. I added my veggies to it. Gonna add some seasoning and salt and pepper and some olive oil. Toss that around and roast it. And I do have a link to the full recipe below. You can follow along at home. Just buy all the ingredients at the store and make it. It's really cool. And then with the grilling cheese, I had to slice it up, and then I rubbed some seasoning on both sides, and I placed it down in some heated oil, and I cooked it for a few minutes on each side. And then when the couscous was done, I added some lemon zest, some tomatoes, and basil. And some lemon juice. And then you season it with salt and pepper. Give it a good mix. And then you could go ahead and plate that. And then I topped it with some of the roasted veggies once they came out of the oven. And then you add a piece of the grilling cheese on top, and that is it. And it is so good. Oh my gosh, so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. If you want to try anything from HelloFresh, I have a promo code below that will save you a lot of money off your first box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.